Hello everyone, in front of me is Nubia Neo 5G and let me show you how to change wallpaper. First of all, open the settings, then find and select personalization settings. Now go to wallpaper and choose the one that you want to use. You can also reach your own gallery and select some picture that you own, but I would like to pick something from default wallpapers. As you can see, you can scroll to see how each picture look on the screen. Maybe this one. Then click on Set As and then decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both. I'll go with both. And that's it. As you can see, from now on this picture is assigned to both home and lock screens. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.